Good morning and welcome to a Zintch.com news update for Friday, April 3, 2026. Market closed for Good Friday. U.S. equity markets are closed today in observance of Good Friday, giving investors a rare pause after a steady, eventful first quarter. With no trading session, today serves as a natural reset point, the perfect moment to look back at March, zoom out on Q1, and look ahead to what's coming to Zintch in April. March market summary. March closed out with a tone of resilience and controlled optimism. Across major indices, equities continued grinding higher, supported by stable macro data and firm earnings. Inflation signals cooled modestly, helping keep rate expectations steady. Volatility remained subdued, with dips consistently met by buyers. Commodities held balanced, with energy firm and metals steady. The month didn't deliver fireworks, it delivered continuity, which is often more powerful. Markets behaved like they were building a base rather than reacting to shocks. First quarter 2026 market summary. Q1 2026 was defined by stability, strength, and a lack of systemic stress. Key themes: equities. Broad indices posted solid gains, driven by tech, industrials, and select cyclicals. Earnings season came in better than feared, reinforcing the soft landing narrative. Rates. Treasury yields eased slightly from their early January highs. The 10-year settled into a comfortable range that supports risk assets. Macro. Inflation trended in the right direction. Labor data remained stable. Liquidity stayed supportive. Q1 didn't produce a single dominant headline. Instead, it produced a consistent macro backdrop that rewarded discipline and patience. What's coming to Zintch in April? April is a major upgrade month for Zintch, the biggest since launch. Here's what's rolling out. Monthly stock pick. We will continue our series on highlighting one stock from the portfolio each month for an in-depth review. Last month was Omega Healthcare Inc. and this month will be Main Street Capital. Full Q1 dividend income breakdown. A transparent, line-by-line look at first quarter dividend income, what paid, what grew, and what changed. Zintch Daily Deals. A new daily shopping site surfacing retail savings with the lowest possible prices to save you money and help you invest. Expanded content footprint. More, YouTube, TikTok, Substack, X. The goal, a more complete, more daily, more useful Zintch ecosystem. Stag Industrial. From monthly to quarterly dividends, Q1 change. One of the most notable dividend policy shifts of Q1 came from Stag Industrial, Stag. What happened? In early January 2026, Stag announced an increase in its annual dividend rate from $1.49 to $1.55 per share. A shift from monthly dividends to quarterly dividends. A new quarterly payout of $0.3875 per share. First quarterly payment scheduled for April 15, 2026. Future quarterly announcements expected in late April, July, October, and February. This change was formally announced in a January 8, 2026 press release from Stag Industrial's board of directors. Why it matters. Stag had been a long-standing monthly payer, a favorite among income investors. The shift to quarterly aligns Stag with most REITs and simplifies capital planning. The dividend increased, softening the impact of the frequency change. For dividend-focused portfolios, this is a structural shift worth tracking. This will be covered in detail in the Q1 dividend income breakdown coming in April. Final word. Good Friday gives the market a rare moment of stillness and it gives us the perfect window to reset, review, and prepare for a major month ahead. March was steady, Q1 was constructive, and April is when Zintch levels up. That's all for today. Wishing everyone a steady Good Friday and a peaceful start to Easter weekend. Enjoy the pause.